Hi, I'm Jimmy with Instant Brands, and this is Savor and Instant. I don't know where you are, but where I am, it is winter and it is cold. But there are some nice things about winter. Staying in, sleeping late, most importantly, making breakfast. And I got a great recipe for you breakfast lovers out there. Slow-cooked 3-berry French toast casserole. And it is one of 1,500 recipes available to you right now on our Instant Brands Connect app, which you should download today. One of the nice things about this recipe is you're actually going to prepare almost the whole thing the night before and then slow cook it the next day so that all you have to do is enjoy your breakfast. So the first part of the recipe we're going to make is actually a blueberry syrup that we're going to use to accompany the casserole once it's finished. So the first thing we want to do is turn the Instant Pot on to saute. The first thing we're going to add is about 1/4 cup of the blueberries that the recipe calls for. And we've got our cornstarch, sugar, and water. So you're gonna wanna keep an eye on this because of the sugar content and the cornstarch. It's gonna tighten up pretty quickly once it gets warm, and we don't want to burn any of the sugar or for it to get too thick. So now that the syrup has started to tighten up, we're gonna turn off the Instant Pot, and we're gonna add the remainder of the frozen blueberries, butter, and our lemon juice. And incorporate all of that. We're gonna pour this into a bowl. Now that we cleaned out the sleeve of the Instant Pot, we're gonna put together the custard mixture that we're gonna put into the casserole. So we've got 8 eggs here. We're gonna whisk those together. And while we're whisking, we can start incorporating some of the other ingredients like the vanilla, throw the cinnamon in there, yogurt, and our sour cream. Nothing like a breakfast casserole, you know what I mean? Simple, kind of put it together, everybody eats. It's not like omelets where you gotta make everybody an omelet. Put some milk in here, and we got our maple syrup. All right, now we got a beautiful kind of custard batter here. So we are going to start assembling our casserole. First thing we gotta do is make sure that we spray the inside of the pot liner with some nonstick cooking spray. First layer is going to be of our stale French bread. And you got to make sure it's stale. That's the only way it's going to soak up the custard. So you want to make sure that you're really using hard bread. Next, we're going to add half of our berries. And we're going to layer in our cream cheese, bread on top. Mix in the rest of our berries. Our cream cheese in there. Pour our custard mix over top. Once we get all the custard in there, we're gonna let this sit in the fridge overnight so that it soaks it all up into that stale bread. And I am gonna binge watch acoustic covers of death metal bands and or baby panda videos. All right, let's get this started. I'm gonna put it in the pot. Said it's a slow cook, 4 hours. Please remember to like and subscribe our channel for more of this content. Meanwhile, I am gonna finally get out there and do more so that I can enjoy the winter. Build up an appetite. I'm ready to warm up with some French toast casserole. Let's see how it turned out. There we go. Get some of that blueberry syrup on there. You want to warm up with some? There you go. Thank you so much for watching Savor and Instant. Don't forget to download the Instant Brands Connect app, which will connect you with this recipe and 1,500 others. I don't have to go outside again until spring, right?